You can climb on.
But it's going to turn.
Alright, you can climb on. Go ahead.
I don't.
It won't turn on.
Here. Can we put you on it? Here. So it won't turn on unless you put your foot on that pedal. So don't put any weight on that pedal until you're ready to go. And when you're ready to go, press the pedal.
I'm ready.
Alright, press the pedal. There you go. Steer it. Use your arms to steer it. What's wrong? Are you scared? You want to try to ride a little more?
No.
You're all done?
Yeah, I'm not done. You can get me off here. I want to take my, because I want to